Okay, it's time to take a ride in this fabulous 1966 Corvair. Mechanically restored by a fabulous expert, 40 years of experience, has the turbo, and it is really a fantastic driving car. So, wish you were here, and you can't feel it and see it like we do, but this video will give you a little idea. And the horn works. Give him a little toot there, Don. Okay. Wipers. You got a nice updated digital radio. AM, FM. All the gauges work. The clock does tick. The second hand moves on the clock, but the hour hands are a little tricky to get set. But this is a great ride and a solid car. Be a little more solid if I would have shut the door all the way. That is nice. Anyway, it's very, very impressive, and we'll have another video where you can look at the car going down the road, but this is from the passenger seat, and you got a nice 4-speed here and a expertly installed tuned turbo Corvair motor. Okay, signing off.